First order of business, coffee. Very early in the morning, so there's no traffic on PCH. Good morning. Do you hear that? Time to find a good spot to park at the beach. Let's go. All right, let's go. I found a good parking spot. It's on PCH. Vans parked back there. There's a cafe on the beach. It's not open yet. Definitely gonna pop in there and grab something. Has these like cool umbrellas. Look at that. That's a terrace that leads up to a house on a rock. There's another one up there that leads to another house. I mean, the view here from the terrace. That's living, baby. The tide is going up. As you can see there. There's a passageway there, but I'm not gonna chance that. I am gonna find a different beach because it seems like this one's gonna get really busy with people later. I have a feeling I could find some other more secluded secret beaches. So let's go. Check this out. That's the beach. Then it turns into a creek. Mind blown. And there's a little tunnel that we can go to, and you know, I gotta check that out. Then we can go to Ganapati, which is my van, if some of you don't know. I'm not even sure if you guys can see me anymore. Listen to the sound of echo and mystery. It's not really that mysterious. And we're out. It's really crazy. So just a second ago I was at the beach, and now we're at this park, which is across the street from the beach, which you can access from a tunnel. And there's a creek right back there. I mean, come on, what more do you want from a morning at the beach? You have warm water, actually. All right, now seriously, going back to the van. The sidewalk here is non-existent. I just had to walk through that. Here's the highway, so I can't really walk on the street. That looks pretty private to me. You're walking through a little jungle, and then you go to the beach. I think I may have found a spot. There's still some people here, but that's not a lot of people. And it's kind of a private beach. It's not private, it just looks private. It's public.
There is no rhyme or reason why. The less it makes sense, the more we try. Be closer to being known. There's nothing I could do or have ever done.
Camera might be ruined. I was taking a shot at the beach and then wave hit it. And it got a little wet. It's making some funny noises. It's supposed to be like water resistant, but I doubt that because it was making some weird noises. I took the battery out right away. Hopefully I'll let it dry and then try it later, but the rest of the day is gonna be on the iPhone. My microphone looks right there. Not good. I already found a company to send it in. Fill out the form. Today's Sunday, so I can't send it in today, but definitely first thing or like anytime tomorrow morning. Go from there. They say they're pretty quick at looking at it just to see if they can fix it. If that's the case, I'll try to sell it for parts and upgrade to a new camera. On another note, today is not a total bust because it is a nice day. I mean, except the camera getting damaged. I'm pretty glad I came. I was trying to get you guys some epic shots, and that is very epic. I just can't wait to look at it on the computer. If fingers crossed, my SD cards didn't get damaged, because if they got damaged, I got nothing for you. All those stairs you see back there, that's my cardio for today. Whew. It's a nice spot, but going back up, I just stopped in at a local spot for some chips and salsa and guacamole and beer. Now I'm going back to the van to kind of see if I can recover some of that footage to make this video for you. Hopefully that's not damaged. Made it back to the van. I checked on the SD cards and you have a video. And it's the one that you just watched. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.